Steps to take if you are facing drug trafficking charges in Tulsa. Drug trafficking charges are one of the most severe crimes in the Oklahoma criminal justice system. Unlike possession with intent, trafficking is triggered automatically by the weight of the substance found, regardless of whether there is actual evidence that you were selling it. The law assumes that once you cross a certain threshold, the quantity itself proves an intent to distribute. 1. Drug trafficking charges. Understand the thresholds. In Oklahoma, the Trafficking in Illegal Drugs Act sets specific weights that elevate a drug crime from a standard felony to a trafficking charge. Substance, trafficking weight, and aggravated trafficking weight. Marijuana, 25 pounds, 1,000 pounds. Methamphetamine, 20 grams, 450 grams. Cocaine, 28 grams, 450 grams. Heroin, 10 grams, 28 grams. Fentanyl, 1 gram. 2. Know the penalties, the 50% and 85% rules. Drug trafficking convictions carry mandatory minimum prison sentences and massive fines, often ranging from $25,000 to $500,000. First offense drug trafficking can carry up to 20 years in prison. Second offense carries a range of 4 years to life. Under Oklahoma law, you must serve at least 50% of the sentence before becoming eligible for parole. Aggravated trafficking. This is considered an 85% crime. If convicted of aggravated trafficking, you are ineligible for parole or earned credits until you have served at least 85% of your total sentence. 3. Defense strategies for trafficking. Because these cases are built on weight and procedure, a defense often focuses on the technicalities of the arrest. Challenging the search. Many trafficking arrests happen during highway interdiction stops. If the officer lacked reasonable suspicion to pull you over or probable cause to search your vehicle, the entire drug haul could be suppressed as evidence. Constructive possession. If the drugs were found in a vehicle or home with multiple people, the state must prove you had specific knowledge and control over the drugs. Simply being near them is not enough for a conviction. Weight accuracy. The legal thresholds are precise. If the lab included packaging weight or used improper scaling methods, your attorney may be able to argue the weight down below the trafficking threshold. Why you need immediate legal counsel. Drug trafficking charges are handled by specialized units within the district attorney's office. They are trained to seek the maximum penalties. Early intervention by an attorney can sometimes lead to a not guilty jury trial, blind plea, or a reduction to a lesser charge like possession with intent, which does not carry the same mandatory minimums or 85% service requirements. If you or a loved one is facing drug trafficking charges in Oklahoma, we can help. Call 918-743-2233 for a free consultation with a drug charge attorney at Kania Law Office.